Meaning of humiliating.
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 Humiliating. The word humiliating refers to an experience that causes a person to feel ashamed, embarrassed, or degraded. It is often associated with situations in which one's dignity or self-respect is compromised, such as being publicly criticized or insulted. The impact of a humiliating experience can be long-lasting, affecting one's self-confidence and relationships with others. People may avoid situations or opportunities that could potentially lead to further humiliation. Overall, being subjected to humiliation can have a negative impact on one's mental and emotional well-being, and should be avoided whenever possible.